Puss, want to know how airlines secretly pickpocket you every time you fly? Yeah, you. The one who just paid $50 for a convenience fee to book your own dang ticket. Wake up, people. By the end of this video, you'll be saving thousands. Or I'll eat this entire $12 airport banana. Nope, still not worth it. Let's face it, airports are like casinos. The house always wins. Baggage fees, seat selection charges, convenience fees that are anything but convenient. And don't get me started on dynamic pricing. That's just corporate speak for we'll charge you extra cause you're desperate. $6.2 billion. That's enough to buy every traveler a pet llama and still have cash left for llama-sized headphones. But wait, before you sell your kidney for that premium aisle seat, there's a loophole. A secret so powerful, airlines hate it. No, it's not become a pilot. Introducing, drumroll, the mystical art of hidden city ticketing. No, it's not a Hogwarts elective. Here's the trick. Book a flight with a layover in your actual destination. Then skip the last leg. Airlines often price these cheaper than direct flights. But, oh, there's a catch. More on that after I traumatize you with this ad. Elementary, my dear budget traveler. Let's dissect this. Say you're flying NYC to Miami. A direct flight costs $300. But NYC Miami Cancun? $190. Just exit in Miami. Poof. You've saved $110 faster than TSA confiscates your toothpaste. But wait, airlines are onto this. They'll cancel your return ticket if you skip a leg. So rules. 1. Never check bags, they'll go to Cancun without you. 2. Use a carry-on pack light. You're not moving to Bali. Yet. 3. Book one-way tickets, avoid the gotcha. And do not tell them I sent you. Look side to side, they re-watching. But hey, if you think this is wild, wait till you see how to travel the entire world for free. Spoiler, it involves zero accidentally becoming a spy. Click the next video or regret it every time you pay $8 for airplane pretzels. Go, be free, and if you see the CEO of convenience fees, tell him he's canceled.